10th class, Miss Jaya asked the pupils to take out their English notebooks. She handed out the question paper and ordered them to answer the questions. While other children were busy preparing to write, Harish was sta- staring ahead with tears in his eyes. Harish, where's your notebook? Why aren't you writing the answers? Ma'am, I have lost my notebook. Oh, really? I'm not surprised. In fact, last night I had a dream. Many books were shouting and complaining about the cruel little boy who hurt them. They had decided to hide themselves from the little villains. I think my dream is coming true. Harish, how would you like if someone pulled your nose, hands, ears, or legs? Wouldn't it hurt? Your books feel the same when you tear them. Harish thought for a moment. His mother and father, grandparents were always angry with him for the single bad habit of his. He said, crying, Ma'am, please give me one last chance. I promise I will be careful with my books. Mrs. Jaya said, Go home and check your bookshelf. I am sure your notebook would have come back there. Take today's test in your rough notebook. Remember, don't ever tear pages from your books or keep them dirty. Harish had learnt his lesson. Harish was surprised when he reached home. The English notebooks were right there on the shelf. How did it miss it in the morning? Had Mrs. Jaya's dream come true? Now let us do the comprehension part. Exercise A1. Write whether the following statements are true. Harish had no bad habits. False. Harish's friend's name was Amar. False. Mrs. Jaya taught mathematics. False. Harish's mother and Mrs. Jaya together planned that they would hide his books. True. Mrs. Jaya did not actually have any dream of books complaining. True. We will do these question answers tomorrow. You will now here are given below are some words from the lesson. You have to match them with their meanings. End. Begin. Hurriedly, slowly. Badly, not showing mercy. Cruel, kind. Remember, forget. Put on, take off. Dirty, clean. Now from this second column, you have to match the words like end, finish, hurriedly, quickly, badly, and so on. Now write the correct definitions for each of these books types choosing from the list on page number 9. Here the sentences are given. I have written dictionary, the third, a book that gives the meanings of words. Notebooks, a book in which you write notes. Album, a book to keep photographs. Directory, a book with list of names, addresses and phone numbers. Textbooks, a book with lessons and exercises. Workbook, a book containing exercises and problems to solve. Atlas, a book of maps. Thesaurus, a book that gives many words that mean the same as one word. Register, a book where your presence and absence are marked. Manual, an instruction book on how to do something. Diary, a book to write your daily activities. Now write the past tense forms of these verbs. Swim, swam, have, had, take, took, buy, bought, write, wrote, bring, brought, sing, sang, and win, won. Now we will do these fill in the blanks. Last Sunday, Ali swam in the river. I had chocolate ice cream yesterday. It was delicious. Ajit wrote a letter to his friend in Australia, who won the match yesterday. My father bought 2 picture books from the shop, one for me and one for my sister. The teacher brought a barometer to the class on Wednesday. Neeta's sister sang beautifully at the party last evening. Harish lost his English notebook. He wrote the test in his rough notebook. Now you have to do all these exercises from page number 7. I am taking answer 1, A1, A2, the word meanings, B1, B2, C1 and C2 in the notebooks. Make it sure that your writing is very clear and the work should be very neat and clean. I am Joseph Sir, teaching English literature for class 3rd A, B and C and D. Thank you.